A deadly fire in East Price Hill, leaving multiple people running for their lives. The coroner is on the scene, and at least 5 people, including 3 children, are now in the hospital. Good evening, and thanks for joining us at 6 o'clock. I'm Lindsay Stone. The fire broke out at a home on Summit Avenue, that's near West 8th Street, leaving many there shaken up. News 5's Daisy Kershaw is on the scene. She joins us now live with more on what we know. Daisy?
Lindsay, yes, 5 people are still being treated in the hospital tonight. 3 of them are children, and we're still working to get an update on how those people are doing. Still a very active scene here for several hours now. Fire officials and fire investigators still working to assess the damage and determine a cause. We're also working to learn if everyone made it out of the building. Fire officials saying there are unconfirmed reports that there are people unaccounted for. This large wood residential building caught fire around 1 this afternoon. Fire investigators, again, still working to confirm the cause, but we are told that when firefighters arrived, there were already several injured people outside. The chief saying 1 person was injured when they jumped from a window to escape. We're told that fire crews were here within minutes and had to tackle this fire with aggressive tactics. Witnesses describing the chaos tonight. The chief saying describing this scene as hellish.
There was fire very heavily coming out of that building, and they pushed in as absolutely hard as they could to get in there. Like you said, there's a lot of people injured as well. So multiple focuses for our people, but we're trained and we're prepared as best we can for these kind of situations.
I seen the smoke out my window, and I seen a fireman bringing a young lady, carrying her. So I ran downstairs real quick. I got a blanket, and I put it on her because she jumped out the window.
Now, again, we're still working to learn how the 5 victims are doing. Right now, fire investigators still working to assess the building. It looks like it's likely a total loss. We're told it originated on the 1st floor. Right now, it's not clear how many people are displaced. Reporting live in Price Hill, Daisy Kershaw, WLWT News 5.
Daisy, thank you.